When the snow melts away and the birds are beginning to sing, trees have tender green buds. That is how you can tell it is spring. The sunshine's gleam so bright and warm. The sky is blue and clear. Flowers bloom and their perfume fills the air. That's how you can tell spring is here. As the famous Japanese Buddhist philosopher, educator, and author Daisaku Ikeda said, and I quote, "No matter how long the cold and bleak days of winter may continue, winter always turns to spring. This is the law of universe and the law of life. As long as we hold on to hope, spring is sure to come."
Spring is called as the king of all seasons, and it is because of so many reasons. Listening the birds chirping and singing, when life is alive in everything, animals coming out from hibernation, spring is the time for new creation. Welcome to spring and all the newness it brings with it. The wind told the grasses told the trees told the bushes, and the bushes told the bees, and the bees told the robin, and the robin sang out clear, wake up, spring is here.
I like to lay in the grass and look up at the sky, watch the clouds above and search for a rainbow. I see a kite fly by and I say hi.
Hello, kite!
Come on and spread your wings so we can take flight. Then I fly like a kite. I feel strong as a tiger, and as big as a giraffe. So high, and I jump like a kangaroo. Swim. I come up to you. I take your hand if that's okay. And I say, such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day.
With the birds and the bees and the butterflies, I would like to spend my day. With the birds and the bees and the butterflies, I would like to fly away. Out in the sun.
such pleasant weather and beautiful colors all around, it's time for rebirth, rejuvenation and celebrations. As all of you know, in India, we celebrate all seasons because of any given reason. Festivals of India are vibrant and colorful. Holi brings advent of spring. This colorful festival celebrates love and life. Spring is the new beginning of the life. For many people, during spring is the new year arrive. Parsi New Year, called Navroz, Tulip Festival in beautiful Kashmir land, are celebrated so grand. On festivals, people meet their family and friends, and we cement our ties till the very end.
आए रे आए ऋतुराज आए, चारों ओर बसंत पंचमी की बहार है छाई। हर तरफ है सुर संगीत का वादन, माता सरस्वती का अभिवादन। बच्चों चलो आओ करें माता सरस्वती का अभिनंदन। सद्बुद्धि दे माता हम सबको, करे पूजन हर दिन। सिर पर रखकर हाथ, माँ दो ऐसा आशीर्वाद कि संगीत नृत्य और कला में हो जाए हम निपुण।
धरती अंबर झूम रहे हैं, चहुदिशी खुशियाँ छाई। धरती अंबर झूम रहे हैं, चहुदिशी खुशियाँ छाई। ऋतु बसंत की आई, ऋतु बसंत की
Kaj borodisło kuszalka i co, viva carnavalam co gojco. Kaj borodisło kuszalka i co, viva carnavalam co gojco.
होगी अब तो होली की धमाल, चल पिचकारी उड़ेगा गुलाल। होगी अब तो होली की धमाल, चल पिचकारी उड़ेगा गुलाल। मिलजुल खेले लगते कमाल, मिलजुल खेले लगते कमाल। लूट पोट हंसते लाल पीले गाल। होगी अब तो होली की धमाल, चल पिचकारी उड़ेगा गुलाल। होगी अब तो होली की धमाल, चल पिचकारी उड़ेगा गुलाल। होगी अब तो होली की धमाल, चल पिचकारी उड़ेगा गुलाल। होगी अब तो होली की धमाल, चल पिचकारी उड़ेगा गुलाल। मिलजुल खेले लगते कमाल।
The day Guru Gobind Singh turned sparrows into eagles, the day we realized the power of five, the day we were given 5 banis to listen and read, the day that
transformed us to see all as equal. Baisakhi is celebrated in North India, particularly in the state of Punjab on April 13th or 14th. Each year it is Spring Harvest Festival for the 6th. It is celebrated with traditional Bhangra music and dance.
देखो देखो होली आई, बहू के चेहरे पे खुशियाँ आई, मौसम ने ली है अंगड़ाई, सर्दी ने ली है विदाई, गर्मी की आहट है आई, देखो देखो होली आई, बच्चों को योजना आई होली की, खूब होली बनाए, देखो देखो होली आई। डैडी से रंग बिरंगी पिचकारियां मंगवाई, देखो देखो होली आई। Not just in India, where it forms this colorful festival Holi, celebrated many other parts of the world. This reminds me, the Songkran festival it is celebrated in Thailand. It is actually a mass water fight with the chilling water to bypass passers. Actually, it is celebrated in April, and it is a welcome of the new year in Thailand. Thank you. Over to Amit.
When we say spring is the season of flowers, how can we forget about the annual Tulip Festival, which is a feature of spring in Kashmir? It takes place in Srinagar in April, where the largest tulip garden in Asia has more than 50 varieties of bloom. Udyananotsav is celebrated in the Mughal Gardens in Delhi, which opens once a year. On display are hundreds of varieties of flowers and trees, including roses, tulip plants, and other trees and exotic plants. Not just India but internationally, people enjoy the bounty of nature at this time. Spring celebrations in the USA begin with tulip times in the Michigan, where 6 million tulips bloom every spring season.
The arrival of spring in the vibrant state of Goa is marked by the Goa Carnival, which is the state's most famous event, with colorful street parades and a formal ball. As in a similar manner across the globe in Mexico, the carnival is celebrated on the first day of spring around the world. There is a vivid parade of bursting colors accompanied by streets, dancing, and more. As elaborate are the celebrations in our country and across the world as are those in our school GDDPS Sector 48. We have our dear principal ma'am and Srishti ma'am who always say that in our curriculum there is a right blend of all the aspects, be it curricular and co-curricular activities, our culture, traditions and values
along with all the celebrations. I would now like to invite our loving Shrishti ma'am and request her to shower us with her love, good wishes and blessings.
Thank you so much, Aratrika. Great job, my dear children. Well done. So, our young learners of class 1 have already announced the arrival of spring. So, let's get ready to say goodbye to winter. Spring is soon going to be here. Every year, the cold of winter melts away and spring brings a new beginning. As Srihan quoted the famous Japanese Buddhist philosopher, educator and author Dr. Daisaku Ikeda, that winter always turns to spring. I would like to add that where the flowers bloom, so does the hope. No winter lasts forever and no spring skips its turn. So a very good afternoon, dear children, parents and teachers. I have thoroughly enjoyed this assembly with the elements and lots of colors of spring. As a school, we are aiming to open, show, awaken, and help our children enter the storehouse of knowledge so that they discover things on their own. And PBL and allowing the children to take lead in the class more often are some of the significant steps in this direction. I'm sure, dear parents, you are with us in this journey of our Goenkins as they are learning to learn. As we have already discussed all about Telangana through the art integrated learning during this month as a part of the project-based learning. And we are now going to culminate it with the project presentation on February 13th. Also, on request of the parents, we are going to create a provision for our young learners to visit school in very small groups to reconnect and meet in person with their teachers and a few classmates and make a new beginning, that is, start afresh. With the advent of the recent vaccine drive against the virus, a much awaited glimmer of hope has shone across the country. Schools may not go back to the pre-pandemic normal as yet, but there is a way we can combine technology and space management to strike an ideal balance between the virtual and the real world. Nevertheless, by taking adequate measures and precautions, we can make the physical space safe and COVID-free. So if winter comes, can spring be far behind? No, as the beautiful spring comes and nature resumes her loveliness, the human soul is sure to revive too. So let's reboot, reclaim and restart. It is springtime, new beginning, new mindset, new focus and new achievements. So let's stay positive, take this leap of faith and win. With the heart filled with gratitude, once again looking forward to your support to achieve the same, dear parents. Together we can create this experience of offline informal connect with school for our children, which they have been missing out on for a very long time. So stay safe, everyone, stay active, stay fit and healthy. Thank you so much for joining us on this virtual platform for today's assembly. Have a great good day. Take care. And now I would like to hand over to Ahana. Over to you, Ahana. Thank you.
Bye, Noah. Goodbye, I. Though, of course, you are very nice. I am glad you have gone away, leaving us this fine spring day. Here is my old good bat and ball. Marbles too. How are you all? I am sure that I can play with you almost any day. Goodbye, winter. Though it's true, I have had lots of fun with you. Now I just shout and sing. I am so glad because it is spring.